tayo ng ng ritual natin na magiging ritual na natin siya for the rest of our life.
Anong ritual yun?
Parang promise, pero gagawin natin siya every year.
Okay.
Parang handshake ba?
Hindi, like words.
Awards.
Gaguyok na rin ako.
Buti in-open mo na kung ano na-vision namin. No? Kasi diyan kami magaling mag-vision. Go guys. Naiiyak na siya guys. Nakaisip na
Imagine
kasi
niya pag nag-break up tayong tatlo, tapos
Bro,
pinapanood pa rin
feeling ko
natin.
that would be my biggest heartbreak guys. Kapag nag-break tayong tatlo.
Hindi. No, let's not even think about it. Okay, let's
What we
promise
gonna
each
happen,
other
dude?
that we would stay for the next 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100
Hanggang mamatay
years.
tayo for eternity.
Yeah.
Hanggang dapat walang pupunta ng langit. Dapat lahat tayo nasa langit. Wala din isa sa impyerno. Para kapag, ay, sinusunod ka, be!
Okay ka lang dyan, Be! Be! Mag-elevator kami papunta dyan! Be, shot mo na gago! Gago, nag-evaporate!
Remember nung akay namin yung shot natin. Tangina na, nasa babayan eh.
Hindi guys,
Okay.
kung wala mang ganong concept, feeling ko tayo? Stars tayo.
Oo.
Okay.
Tayo yung,
Cosmos.
alam niyo yung cosmos? Tayo
Yes.
yun, tatlo, malalaking dot na magkakasunod.
Okay. Every year man natin to.
Yes.
Oo. Anong sasabihin natin?
Ayun. Naglag.
Naglag.
Ay, nakatulog. Ano ba? Yung name ba natin, Miminomi?
Hindi, parang yung promise lang natin na
Think-
sentence. Ganun.
Ayoko kasi ng, parang ang negative naman ng
No?
till death do us part. Ayoko ng gano'n.
Hindi, ayoko din nun. Till death eh.
Uy, Chloe ba?
Ah! Ano sunog?
Hindi po!
Wala! Wala! Wala nga hindi nga kami nagluluto.
Go. Baka sa kapitbahay. Okay. Thank you for interrupting us, huh? Like, thank you. Thank you for that.
Wala na, ayoko na.
Kaya
Nawala
nga,
na
wait
yung
lang,
namin
nawala
ko.
Thanks a lot, Rachel. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
I told you to pick me up at 3:07 at fucking 3:05. Wait lang, ano muna? Te, magwa 1 hour na lang to talaga.
Pwede ko pa to i-delete, guys. I mean, i-upload ko muna sa Drive.
Oo,
tapos
tapos
pwede.
i-delete.
Kasi baka mawalan tayo ng ano eh.
Oo, sige, sige.
Dapat yung hindi siya masyadong corny.
Okay. We promise to stay.
We promise to stay and forever be in glitch. We will never ditch, even we're on the stitch.
Okay.
Oh, nakabisado na yun? Medyo mahaba lang siya, pero go.
Anong sinabi ko
We
muna?
promise to stay.
Even...
Ulo.
Hindi.
Hindi yun we promise to...
Bawal natin to ikot, go.
Oh, sige. We promise to stay forever in the glitch, even if we're in the ditch.
Even we're in the stitch, we're not gonna stitch? Ano ba meaning ng stitch?
We're not gonna ditch.
We're not gonna ditch, even if
In a stitch?
we stitch.
Baka yung we're gonna stitch, we're not gonna ditch.
We're not gonna snitch.
We're not gonna snitch. Ano, wait.
Wait, search natin muna yung meaning ng stitch.
Ayun nga rin na-visualize ko si
Stitch, yung parang
yung
ano siya.
Ayun
Oo,
yun eh,
stitch,
alam mo
ganon.
yun nga din meaning.
Oo.
Alam mo yung meaning kong stitch. A single loop or pass or thread used in sewing, knitting, or embroidery to join fabric or suture
Oh.
a close.
Oh, sige.
Wound.
We promise to stay, even if...
We promise to stay in the glitch.
We promise to stay in the glitch. Forever will be in a stitch.
Oh, in a stitch.
Tapos,
Hindi, forever
hindi.
will stitch. Kasi to sew
Oo.
things together.
wait.
Hindi. Something like, we promise to stitch even though parang times na meron tayong hindi pagkakaintindihan.
So,
Okay. So, yun nga.
ayun na,
yun
we
yung-
promise to stay in the glitch. Ay, no, ditch. Parang ito yung rough.
Hindi, ay, diba? We promise to stay stuck in the glitch.
Ang pangit ng stuck.
Oo, hindi stop.
Kasi di ba yun yung name ng GC natin?
Stay na lang. Stay na
3
lang.
girls in a glitch.
Oo nga pala.
Stay na lang.
Stay na lang.
Sige.
Kasi it
Wait.
feels more of your choice than stuck.
So, we promise to
To
stay.
Ano na lang, in the glitch we stay.
Sige. In
In the glitch we stay.
Ang cute naman ito.
In the glitch.
Esophagus. Esophagus.
In the glitch we stay. Di dapat A lagi yung end.
Sige, mali-mali pala.
We promise to stay in the glitch.
We promise to stay in the glitch.
Even if
if ito kasi meaning ng ditch,
There's times we ditch.
a long, narrow excavation or trench dug into the ground for drainage, irrigation, or boundary demarcation. Ditch to leave someone alone when they weren't expecting it.
Well, even though we sometimes ditch.
Di! We promise to stay in the glitch. We're never gonna ditch. And we'll always ditch.
and we promise to stay in the glitch. Wait. Even if we're stuck in the ditch.
Even if we're stuck
In a ditch.
okay.
Tapos forever be looped in a stitch.
Okay. Forever will.
Wait lang,
Forever
kailangan ko yan
okay,
sulatin
okay.
kasi
In a stitch. Okay. We promise to stay. If we promise to stay on the glitch, even if we're stuck on a ditch,
in the glitch.
We promise.
is to stay in the glitch,
To stay in the glitch.
even if we're stuck in a ditch.
Even if we're...
Wag stuck. Even if,
We're
na lang, for example, even if we're in a ditch.
Okay. Even if we're at the end of a ditch. Even if we're
Hindi may nasabi ka
end.
kanina eh. Nakalimutan ko.
even
Pero
if
hindi
we-
siya stuck. Ayun yung pinakauna mo.
Baka, even if we're in a ditch, even if,
even if we're on a ditch.
wherever.
Kasi 'di ba kapag yung stuck kasi parang sa ditch, parang yung parang you want to be stuck sa thought na gusto mo ma-left alone, 'di ba?
Kapag ditch kasi parang siyang place na muddy.
Yung parang tight space, yung parang nasa suffering ka, like
Abandoned,
metaphorically. Yung parang ditch, yun yung metaphor natin sa bad days or yung bad emotional
times.
state. Parang ganun.
Pero it could also mean leave. Or like, to leave someone alone when they weren't expecting it.
Even if we're... even if we sunk in a ditch. Ang pangit, wait. Even if we fall?
Fall na lang.
Even if we fall on a ditch?
On a ditch.
Forever will stay looped.
In a stitch.
Forever will be looped.
Forever.
Will be looped in a stitch. And I'm a bitch. And you're a bitch. Or bitch is bitch.
Like a bad bitch.
Okay, let's go. Let's do this.
Final na. We promise to stay in the glitch. Even if we fall on a ditch, forever we'll be looped in the stitch. Panis. Nakita niyo yung thought process namin.
Like brainstorming? Like, who are you? Okay. 1.
Wait lang, rehearse muna.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. We promise to stay in the glitch, even if we fall on a ditch. Forever we'll be looped in a stitch.
Kaya nyo yun?